geese. So it's Saturday now. It's rained Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then it rained last night. And today it's supposed to rain more this afternoon. We've got like over 2.5 inches of rain so far, so that's awesome. Things are greening up already. There's water, standing water everywhere. Creek's running pretty good. So we're gonna run down the creek here. We weren't able to make it down the creek yesterday, so we're gonna run down the creek today and check things out and see what things look like down there and make sure that the calves are all right and stuff like that. So yeah. That's probably 4 feet deep. Wow. Very nice. I don't think we're gonna make it across the creek. So I don't think we're gonna make it across that creek crossing, and that was our best chance to get across the creek. That creek is really high right now, and it's almost flooding on one side. So we're gonna run down the spring where we don't got across the creek, see if there's anything on the other side, on this side of the creek down there. But for now, we're just gonna have to hope everything's all right on the other side of the creek because we can't get across. Probably about 4 foot of running water right there that we'd have to cross here at this creek crossing, and that's just not gonna work. Some confusion with the cows that we were going to brand today. Didn't know whose calf was whose, so we're probably not going to brand them. We're probably just going to let them pair up overnight, and we'll end up branding them tomorrow. So we're going to go check the cows and probably tag some calves. Here it looks like. So we kind of did a bunch of stuff this afternoon, but we really didn't get much accomplished. So we didn't end up branding them calves because we had that mix up. Them cows didn't really know whose was whose. So we're gonna let them pair up a little better overnight, and then they'll probably brand them tomorrow. And so we really didn't get much done this weekend. My brother's graduation, he graduated from high school. So we really didn't get much done, setting up for his party and stuff like that. Then we had that big rain last weekend. So things are still green. There's another chance of rain this week coming up. Couple good chances this week. So we're hoping to see some more rain and get some things. So that water runs a little better in the creek and things stay green. So yeah, so I guess with that, I think that's just about gonna do it for this video. So thanks for watching, guys. We really appreciate it, and we'll hope to see you next time.